I want some Starbucks. Some Starbucks. That's what I want. Some Starbucks. Y'all, so guess what? I don't think y'all ready. Yeah, your girl is leaving this apartment today. Like, boo. Your girl is leaving Colorado. It's time to go, Colorado. It's been real. It's been nice looking at the mountains every week. It's been real, but it's time to go. I lived here for 7 months. Yep, I think that's long enough. I think it's time to go. And I can't wait to go to another state. Super excited. Yeah, I'm just keep moving from here. Yeah. Y'all remember that my bite plate that I used to have on the top of my mouth, and like every time I would talk, I would kind of like go over my words? Y'all remember that? If you don't, go watch a video. Well, guess what? Your girl got it removed. Clap, 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 clap. I honestly think I got it removed is because with me moving, and I feel like once I move, they're gonna put a different one on. I just have a good feeling. But yeah, y'all, like, I feel so much better. It does feel funny, like at the top of my mouth or whatever. But I could just say that I'm more than blessed that it's gone, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. But yeah, your girl is getting ready to brush her teeth, wash her face. And as you can see, your girl is on the floor. This is like my second night sleeping on the floor. Yeah. So my family doesn't know that I'm coming home, which is going to be a big surprise. Hopefully someone cries. I want to see how much they really, really miss me. Once I get a little bit closer to home, I am going to text them and be like, family, I just want to let you know that I'll be getting stationed in Korea. 9 times out of 10, they're likely to fall for it is because I've been talking about Korea. Like after this duty station, I've been talking about going to South Korea. So it's kind of up in the air that they might fall for it. So I'm gonna make sure that I record it and get every bit of it. And if it's text messages or whatever, I will put the text messages on the screen so that you guys can see it. So yeah, we have a 19-hour road trip to hit. So yeah, it's not really bad. Like, it's going to be a really, really fun road trip. And I also got my Polaroid camera because I'm going to take some pictures. But yeah, it's going to be super duper fun. And you guys are going to come with me. And I know that I say, like, in each vlog, like, you're going to love this one, you're going to love, like, mark my words, you guys are going to love this vlog. I guarantee you. And you guys, I'm so freaking excited. Within this month period, your girl has dropped 14 pounds. And you guys, I can see it, like, tremendously. So before I go, I will snap a picture so that you guys can see, but I see it, like, tremendously. I've seen that this went down. Like, you can only really see it from like, but looking at me like this, it has tremendously went down. So much has freaking changed with my lower body, and I'm so freaking excited. Yeah, that's what happens when you stop eating beef and pork. Yeah, you see what kind of progress you get. I didn't ask you that. I didn't. Oh, and it was something else I meant to tell you guys. I also was able to get my intro back, y'all. I was able to get it back, and I'm so freaking excited. You guys don't know that I freaking cried. Like, I'm so excited I got my intro back. So yeah, you will see that on this video. So now all we're doing is waiting on our outro. Once I wash my face, brush my teeth, and get myself together, I'll cut the camera back on and talk a little bit more. But right now, I'm looking real crusty. I don't even think you looking. I think that you are. Yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. So y'all, your girl is dressed. Your girl is ready to hit the road, Jack. Excuse my face is really like really oily and moisturized because your girl woke up and her skin was just a freaking hot mess. But I'm about to just give y'all like a little run through of like my first apartment. Like, I'm gonna miss it so freaking much. I'm just not gonna miss the area. I asked this boy to take the sticker off my shades. What he do? Leave the sticker on my shades. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all the apartment. So this was our living room, and I didn't really care for the living room portion because of the slanted like wall. But yeah, this was the living room, and then this is the view from the living room, and then this is our island that we had. We had bar stools here, and then we had the TV set up over there. That was a closet for like coats and stuff, front door, the stove, microwave cabinets, refrigerator, freezer, the view again, the sink, fancy, and a pantry where we kept like snacks and stuff at. And then this is the bathroom area, and that was the shower. Walking in, I'm still cleaning up, so excuse the mess. This is the bedroom where the magic had happened, and the TV is actually getting sold. Someone's getting ready to pick it up. That's trash, extension cord. This is the closet. We left them people lots of hangers so they can have all those extra hangers. And yeah, it was a walk-in closet. This is my Wi-Fi, the router. If you're in the closet chilling, like I was the other day and fell asleep and want to charge your phone, you can put it right there. And that wraps up for the 1-bedroom apartment. So next apartment, we're not getting a 1-bedroom again. We would never do a 1-bedroom again. We refuse to do a 1-bedroom again because it ain't it, boo. This is the view from the bedroom, which was like a big window, really big. That was the view. And this is outside, and you can see a couple stores in the mountains from here. So yeah, we are all packed up. As y'all can see, everything's packed up in the back. We are about to go to the leasing office so that we could sign out from this apartment. Probably go to the gas station, fill up, and then we on the road, Joe. You guys, I'm super duper excited. I'm ready for the new opportunities, the new blessings, the just new everything, because I just know everything is about to be for the better. Like I said, I'm just so excited. I'm even more excited because of my family. I miss my family a lot. Like, a lot of times I was going through like depression stages because I just miss my family. Like, you don't understand. Like, there's nothing wrong with moving to another state. That wasn't the problem. The problem was being military, and you can't just get up and go out of town when you want to. That's the part that got me, you know? So I wasn't able to just say, oh, I'm going to Georgia to go visit my grandparents. It wasn't like that, you know? You got to put in forms, and sometimes your forms would get denied. Sometimes they got approved, but our forms were just getting denied, especially during a pandemic. People out here was not taking the COVID serious at all. So that's what led to what it led to. I don't know if I showed you guys, but this is the outside of the apartments. Yep. And then if you look straight ahead, you have your view of another apartment complex and the mountains. And the mountains would look so fake every time we would look at them. They looked so freaking fake, bro. I swear to you. But in reality, they real. They real. So right now we're waiting in our leasing office, waiting for somebody to check us out of our apartment so that we can get the heck up out of here. Are you ready to go bye-bye?
Yes, I'm ready to go home.
You're ready to go home?
Yes, it's already 10:06.
I heard him. It's already 10:06. Mind you, we woke up at 7 something. And we already had to wait. We probably would have been going, but we had to wait because we had to sell our TV because it couldn't fit in our car. But whenever we're signing papers or leaving, I'll cut the camera off. Oh yeah, I need to get my Polaroid out the backseat. All right. Y'all, we didn't even have to sign nothing at the leasing office, so we just at the gas station getting gas. I got my Polaroid, so I'll take some pictures. Whatever pictures I take with this, I'm gonna show you guys the pictures. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So you guys, after Colorado comes Kansas, and we have made it to Kansas. So I'm over here, probably about to get a keychain. This one's cute. I don't really know which keychain I want. I don't want no magnet. Do magnets. I don't want no magnet. So I'm trying to see which one.
You say the same shit. Stay with it, honey, that stuff.
Look at me now. Getting paper. Look at me now.
I'm a killer, girl, I'm sorry. Walk it like I'm talking. Walk it. All of my horsemen like that.
Y'all, when I made it, I forgot to freaking record. And y'all, my parents' reaction, they was just freaking pouring down crying. So y'all wasn't able to get their reaction. But in the meantime, I'll just vlog whatever else I can. You guys, your girl is at freaking Quick Trip. If you know me, you know your girl miss having freaking Quick Trip 24/7. I'm back, okay? We back at Quick Trip, period. Y'all, his parents' house got lots of water. I'm about to drink all day water up, bruh. I'm about to drink it up. His mom also made some shrimp. So I'm about to dig in, get a plate, and eat some. I said I was gonna watch a movie, and I turned out to not have watched no movie, remember? Yeah. Fell asleep. So y'all, these are the options. What are my options?
Your options is to stay home, or you could go and pick me my food up and bring it back home.
And not do what?
Eat my food. Eat my chicken wings.
Like eat which item?
My chicken wings.
Okay, so what did it land on?
To stay with me.
Okay.
So you won't be eating chicken wings.
So y'all, right now I'm going to Rack Room Shoes, and I'm getting ready to get my mom some giblets for her Crocs because I just bought her some Crocs. So I'm gonna show you how I set it up. You already know that your girl is back at home, but y'all don't know what your girl finna eat. But y'all, I could really go for some 7 rolls, but you know that's a 1536 thing, so I won't be going with nobody else but 1536. So yeah, if you're watching this video and you're trying to figure out like what can I get her, like I just want to buy her something, I'll take a 7 rolls gift card, please. A 7 rolls gift card, thank you. So I'm about to go ahead and close out this video, so make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and cut that notification bell on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You know what? I'm about to have to throw you out because you gotta go. So y'all, have demolished my food, so now I'm ready to play this game called Bean Boozled Jelly Beans Fury Fire Challenge. And these are the different flavors, but I don't know which one is the hottest. So the hottest one is the Carolina Reaper. You have habanero, cayenne, jalapeno, and sriracha. So sriracha is not really hot, but every other one that hits like orange red, as y'all can see, those are hot. Get the guy on the front of the cover. So you open it, then you have this thing, and we're gonna spin it, and it's 3 of us, so we're gonna spin it. So we're about to take the spinner, and each person is going to spin, but the first person gonna go is depending on how we do rock, paper, scissors. So hold on.
12, 34. Oh damn.
Yeah, right now it's 6:24, but in Georgia it would be not Georgia, Colorado, it would be 4:24. So for the beauty supply store, I bought these so I can use it for my edges. And the hottest it get is 410. So yeah, I like these. I'll be using it for my edges. I also bought, hold on, this edge control is called First Touch Gel. So I'm gonna give it a try and try it on my edges and see how I like it. But I think it smells good. And this is what it looked like. So we're gonna see how it works. I'll tell you tomorrow. I also bought this brush and comb to use for my edges. I needed a new one, so this worked. This is all for my edges. That's the crazy part. I bought this lip gloss, and this is the Shea Butter Baby. But yeah, this is new. You can't never go wrong with some lip gloss, especially people with braces. Hello, use some lip gloss. I also bought this little S necklace. I just thought it was cute. And I think I bought the earrings, and this is like $5.99, so $6. And this is cute, so it's different. I also bought these earrings. They were $3.99. So I'm about to try these out. So basically, I bought me a set, which is really cute. Last but not least, I also bought this comb. So yeah, this is what I bought from the beauty supply store. So now y'all got a little beauty supply haul of what I bought just for my edges. And I never got a chance to show you my nails before I had left to come to Georgia, but this color is called Beige and Bougie. It's actually $174 if you guys want to purchase it, but not $174. The color is $174 for gel. $174, my bad. Beige and Bougie, $174. So yeah. I also bought these shades from when I was at the mall. So I'm about to go ahead and close out this video. So make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on no uploads, because everything I talk about is complete facts. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.